everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. As you can see in the title, today this video is all about Amazon purse haul, which is below 500 bucks. Without any further ado, let's get started into the video. I have some wallets or purses. I have some sling bags and have some carry bag, waist bag. So let me start with the very first one. It's from Tobo Clutch. You can see the pattern, which is in sparkling golden color. You'll get different colors also, and you can remove like this, and inside you will get a chain like this and a small socket over here. You can keep this clutch handy with hands, or you can also wear this with the chain, and the chain length is also long enough. If you don't want the chain, you can put inside and you can just keep this handy like this. It looks so cool on any ethnic wears or even on the skirt. I really love the design and the pattern, and you'll get with the different colors, but this color is so attractive. I got this for 395 rupees, and a small disclaimer, the price of all these products might be varying. And this is the first classy product which I got from Amazon, and the second product is this beautiful multicolored neon color waist bag with good quality zipper. And the quality is also so good. You can wear this to your shoulder or your waist. You can wear however you want. You can style however you want. And the best part of this waist bag is the color, and you will get with the different colors, with the pink or with the goldish, but I love this color. It has a unique shape, smooth texture and good quality zipper, and this is silver color. You'll get like this to close and open, and even the quality is good. Well, I got this waist bag for 479 rupees, and I think this is worth because the quality and the design and the smooth texture and the zipper quality and all, it's so good. And this is my second bag. Let me move towards my third one, and here is the product. It's from Zipang Woman Embroidery and Work Purse. You can easily keep like this, or if you don't want also, you can cut this if you don't need, such that you can carry like this if you don't want. This will be well suited for any ethnic wear like silk sarees or even any Rajasthani garments, and you'll get a zipper like this. Inside you'll be having two compartments. This is the one compartment with the zipper, and this is the another one. And meanwhile, you can also keep something over here and over here. This is so lightweight, and I think it's about only 90 gram, and I really love the pattern. You'll get with the different patterns however you want. Since it is an handmade, it is so attractive. You can see it is so vibrant with the different colors, which looks so attractive for any Rajasthani salwars or any Rajasthani garments. And now I got this for 299 rupees on Amazon, and I think it's best because the quality of the product and even the design, I literally love this for any ethnic wear. And this is the third product which I got from Amazon. Let me move towards my next product, and you can see this. You can see the work over here, how good it is done. and you can see you can keep your cell phones or you can keep your makeup items over here, and it's spacious also. And you can see how well the design is made. This is basically an Poutly bag. This Poutly bag is from IndieMart Ethnic Wear, which is made up of some beads and with other pattern. There is a mirror work also, but I love this bead work, and the finishing is so good over here. And this one, it will be well suited for any ethnic wear. You'll get with the different colors with different designs, but I chosen this goldish color because it will be suited for all dresses. And I got this Poutly bag for 299 rupees. I felt 299 is less because the quality of the product and good finishing, a good work. You will get with the different colors, with pink, black, with mirror works, with different patterns and all the bags link will be on my description. You can go and check it out on Amazon. The next one which I got from Amazon is from Ballet Wallet. As you can see, it's small, petite and handy. You can take this anywhere, and you can see the compartments over here. If you have cards, you can have 4 cards over here, and you have a 1 zipper inside, such that you can fit all the things. If you have cards, you can fit easily. If you have cash, you can fit easily, but you can't fit mobile phone. And you'll get with the different colors, with the black, brown, green, with different colors, but I chosen this color. You can use this for daily use. When you feel like I don't want anything on my hand, you can just carry this wallet, and I got this for 200 rupees. But another thing, now this kind of wallet will be available on Big Bazaars or D-Mart with cheaper price also. It might be 180, 150, depends on colors and pattern. You can buy offline also. And this is my 5th product, and let me move towards my next one. And here is my bag. You'll get 2 zippers, a small compartment here and here. It's basically a baby pink color with a shimmery shade inside or transparent inside, and you can wear this as backpacks, or even you can wear this as sling bag because the space is given here to attach this over here. It feels like it is for small kids, but you know, nowadays this kind of bags are being trending all over the internet because much more products from Hello Kitty brands, and all the products are being using from most of the influencers or most of the adults. And this bag looks so funky on any of your western dresses. Even though it is small size, you can keep many products over here. You can keep your cell phones, you can keep your wallets, or you can keep your makeup items over the back zip. And I got this for 399 rupees. And here also you'll get with different colors, but I love this color. You'll get with a different blue, black, etc. And this is the 6th product which I got from Amazon. Let me move towards my last one. And here is my bag. This is basically a sling bag. You'll get a button over here and a zipper. And inside you will get another zipper like this, and it is so spacious also. You can keep your wallet, cell phones, makeup items, bottles also. And this is from Hairwear Girl Sling Bag. I literally love the quality, which is made up of leather. You can wear this bag for any western wears or even for salwars. It looks so good, and I got this for 450 rupees on Amazon, and it is best because for 450 you are getting a good quality leather bag, and back and all it's fully a leather. And this is my last product which I got from Amazon. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.